Welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute participants in Google Meet meeting. Now, one thing is that when a participant joins your meeting, probably they might have some feedback at the background that may distract your meeting. Now, to mute participants by default, now one thing that you need to do is that you need to enable what? The host management. Now you can get the host management from this site, and when you hover the mouse to this icon here, that is the host control. So when you tap on the host control, you can enable this. Now before then, let's look at it. Now I'm just using this as an example. You can see one participant that I've joined. This is the host, and you could see their microphone being on. That may distract a lot of people in the meeting. Now, one thing that you need to know is that when you mute your participant, because of Google privacy, they will be able to unmute themselves. But since you are the host, you have a control over muting all participants in the meeting. So how do you enable this? Now, you hover the mouse to the host control. Now, when you come here, then you hit on this host management. Now, when you enable the host management, that means you are trying to restrict what others can do in the meeting. That is, you can even disable them to share their screen and also turn on their microphone. That means if you want them to turn their microphone, you can just enable that. Now, just as you are done, you can hit back from here, and now you could see the mute all has appeared here. So now watch something. If maybe there are participants who have joined, they are making noise. In order not to distract your meeting, you can just hit on the mute over here. Mute all will mute every participant over there. But one or the other, you can also hit on their microphone here. If you want to mute a certain individual, you can tap here and put it on mute. Now let me try this mute all, and you see what happens. So when you tap on it, automatically it will turn every participant microphone off, but they can unmute themselves. You cannot unmute them. So maybe during the meeting and you want them to have conversation, or you want them to come in, you can just tell them that those who want to come in can unmute themselves and talk. So that is how to enable all mute button in your meeting. So anytime that you're having a meeting and you want to turn off every participant microphone off, you can just hit on this and it will turn it off automatically. So if you don't have this host management enabled, you might not see the mute all, but what you can see is that you can mute individuals from this section. Now, let me know in the comment section if you have any issues concerning this. But if this video has also been very helpful, please don't forget to share it to help others. Now, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.